Hi guys, how is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing well. I'm coming in to show you guys. I got to get a few things done as far as the garden today, but I want to come in and show you guys a couple of things that I have purchased and that I have received as gifts from family members. I made a garden list and a few of my family members has purchased quite a few things off of them for me. Praise God. Yes. That came through, but I also purchased some things that I needed that is going to help me with this spring and summer and even the fall coming up. As far as the things that I got, let me show you. Alright, so these are some of the things that I have purchased. I got these dome lids from Dollar Tree. Yes, this. Okay. And I plan to cover my seedlings or my transplant that I put out in the garden to help deter pests and other little predators, things like that. And then what I probably do is put a little piece of mesh, because these holes are pretty big. Something can still get through them, so that the airflow can still, ventilate and keep flowing through the plants and things. Got these from Dollar Tree. I think I got about 8, and they also have like these little hose. I don't know if y'all can see those little holes right there. Probably want to put like a push pin or maybe bobby pin or something a little more sturdier so they don't fly away when the wind comes along. Then I also purchased quite a bit of these waste baskets for many different reasons. I have done a video on a DIY for my composting bin. I'm going to do a couple of more and probably most of all my in-ground raised beds. And then I also use this. This is a good idea for like a sifter. Like when you're sifting like your peat moss or your soil mix, just put it in here, shake it, and you will get all the sticks and stuff will be left in here. So what you come out with is just a nice fluffy soil that you would want to plant your seeds and plants in. Okay, so these are, I also got these right here. These wheels from the Dollar Tree. These are, I think, reefs. I got them from like the little reef, bicycle wheel reef ring. And I'm going to plan on making some trellises out of them, probably for the beans or things like that. So it can be sitting like this on top and then have the stick or the stake or whatever I'm going to use and have the strings from coming down. So yeah, that's another little project that I'm going to do with these wheels right here. So excited about it. Okay, I think the lighting is a little bit better, more this way. And then I also got these come in handy, the little plant saucers. These 3 I got a 3-pack from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go back and get quite a few because they do come in handy, especially when I transplant like my bigger pots and other things like that. Don't always have to buy the the $3, $4, $5 ones. 3 in a pack for $1, you cannot beat. So got these, and I'm gonna go back and grab a couple more. And I also grabbed these plant hangers from Dollar Tree as well. I grabbed a few. I plan on hanging some around my gazebo and also in the greenhouse. Flowers and maybe a couple of tomato plants because I want to do the upside down tomato thing with a few of my tomatoes this season. So yeah, I got a couple of those. Then I also purchased a few more of these to do more of my in-ground vermicomposting bins. These are so cute. They're like the ceramic little mushrooms. So cute. And they have many different colors. They have this green, blue, have a red. They have like a mustard color, and then they have like a clay looking color, but they are so cute. Yes, grab those. I'm gonna grab a couple more. No, I'm not grabbing a couple more. I have enough. Yeah, so that's it with that. Yeah, I got those. And then I also got these candy lids from Dollar Tree. They have them in Dollar Tree. Oh my goodness. They come 10 in the pack. So I grabbed 2. I already took them out the wrapper. As you can see, that's what they look like. So I grabbed these because I'm going to be doing quite a bit of preserving of the harvests that we do this year. So I got some already, got quite a few, but just, you know, have a little bit more, planning on doing quite a bit of preserving and giving away of things and keeping and storing for ourselves. So I grab some of those. I'll probably go back and grab some more. If you want to find these, they'll be in like the, you know, where they carry the glassware with the cups and stuff like that. They'll be on the little hanging thing that, you know, things hang on the side of the aisles of the shelf. So yeah, that's where you will find these. And they also have mason jars in there for $1. I think they're like the little pint size, I believe. Maybe a little smaller, but yeah, they also have the mason jars in there for sale for $1.25. Okay, the next thing that I purchased myself are these little hoop covers for the bed, the raised beds. So I got these. I think these are a set of 5 that I purchased off of Amazon, and I think they're gonna come in handy, especially like with my brassicas and stuff that I'm going to keep covered during the spring and summer, to protect them from the sun, but also from like the moths and cabbage moths and things like that. I kept them covered last spring and summer, and they did really good. I didn't find too many pests or damage to them at all. So I'm gonna think I'm gonna keep continuing to do that. So I purchased some of these from Amazon. I purchased 2 packs of them, so I have 10. Just easy, and they're pretty sturdy. I think it's metal in them, because the ones that I had last year, I did like a makeshift one that I did for my daughter old tent that was broke. So I used like the little sticks that came out of it to like try to hold the mesh, what do you call that, the mesh tarp up over it. Yeah, that didn't work too well, but I made it work. So I invested in get me some good sturdy ones this time, so I won't have to fight with keeping it up with the wind and, you know, the rain and stuff like that. So that's what I did. I got 2 boxes of those. Now, things that I got off of my garden list from my family members. Shout out to y'all. Thank y'all. Love y'all so much. Yes, I put up on there some Escoma organic fertilizer. I love this stuff. It's a slow release fertilizer, I believe, and it is a what is the thing on? Oh, it's a 344. And I got this because I am going to get into making my own tinctions and teas and preserving quite a few of the herbs that I am planning to grow. So I got this off of my garden list as a gift. So I've been reading it and getting into it, and it's pretty interesting. Some of the things that I did not know, now I know. Okay, reading will do you some good. Then I got this canning set. Like I said, I'm going to do quite a bit of preserving this harvest, the things that I harvest this year. So it comes with the little tongs, the little spoon. What's this? Oh, comes with like the little picking up for the cans when you take it out the hot bath, the canning bath. And then it has the measurement cups, the little thing that you put inside of the mason jar, so the things that you're putting in don't spill everywhere. It comes with, I have no clue, we're gonna figure it out, but this is whatever this may be. And then it comes with like little labels, and also the debubbler and the measurement from when you measure like how much you put from the top, or how much you you know how like you have to keep a certain amount of headspace between the what you put in there and the space from the top of the jar? That's what this is for, okay? Yes, and then I think I showed y'all yesterday or in the last video. Also, I think I showed in the last video where I purchased this from Home Depot, the all-purpose fertilizer and the fruit tree fertilizer. They had on sale for $4.50, so I grabbed a few just in case if I run out of any of the ones that I got as a gift and that I already have, then I'll have some on backup, because I grabbed them while it was on sale, because they're usually like $14–15 a bag just for these little bags. So I'm like, yeah, let me grab a few just to have, and that's what I did. So I grabbed those, and I also grabbed this one. I think this one was on sale for like $3.50. Yeah, this one is an 825 fertilizer, granular fertilizer. And then of course the Espoma, no, Epsom salt. Then I purchased these from Dollar Tree, the little clips, so I can stake up some of the things that I'm going to be going vertically. I used these for my tomato plants last year. They did pretty good. And also to clip down the coverings over the hoop, excuse me, the hoop things that I'm going to put in a raised bed. They also did come with these as well, so I'm going to use all of them. So yeah, I think that is pretty much it. And then I purchased a couple of more seed packs, flowers and things like that. So yeah, that's it for the little haul that I got that I'm going to be using for this upcoming growing season, you guys. So yeah, that is it. Let me get into the things I need to be getting into before it gets too late, and then I have to wait all over again. So yeah, no, that is it, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys some of the things that I'm going to be using for this upcoming growing season. Maybe this will help inspire you guys to get quite a few things that you are in need of to get. Maybe a reminder or some things that you've been wanting to get but you're not quite sure about. Now look, I'm going to show you guys. Oh Jesus, I'm already over the little net flies. Like, now we got to get them under control. We ain't doing that this year. All right. Let me show you guys the plants that I took out of the hydroponic system that I had growing in a hydroponic system for about a month. And I took them out and I transplanted them in their own little pots. So this is the blueberry tomato cherry. Okay. And think about it. Yep, this is that. And I transplanted this sweet basil. And then I have two more that I'm going to transplant in their own pots. And then this is a cinnamon basil. Look like it's struggling a little bit, but it's okay. She gonna bounce back. She'll survive. We're gonna be all right. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I think that's what I'm going to start doing with this. I think I'm going to get one more, like start the seeds off in there and then transplant them to their own little pot. I feel like that'll be a good idea to like give them a head start on growing, and they grow pretty quick. So that'll be another method that I'll be going forward and using from here on out, because these look pretty good. So pretty. And it smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. And then I planted another tomato, blueberry cherry tomato that's over there. But that's it, you guys. I hope this inspires someone to go out and start a garden, sow a seed. If you already have a garden, I hope this inspires you to go out and, you know, do the things that you need to do in order for you to get started with the upcoming growing season for the spring and summer and things like that. So get out there and do what you need to do as far as pulling the weeds, refreshing the soil, however, whatever you need to do or to get done, because I know there's some of the things that I need to do. So I'm going to inspire you and encourage you to do the same thing, so we won't be out there in the hot sun or, you know, any other crazy weather trying to do it, because we should already had that done. So that is what I'm going to do. That's what I need to do today. Plant these onions, bulb sets, and then also need to start filling up those back raised beds and finishing off the other ones on the side. So that is the goal. That is what I'm going to do. I'm going to stay focused and get it done as much as I can. I might not get everything done today or this week, but I'm going to slowly start doing things here and there, even if it's just for a good 10 to 15, 20 minutes. It's all going to come together and get done the way that it should. So yes, I hope this inspires someone to go out and sow a seed, start a garden, to encourage you to do the things that you need to do if you already have a garden. So yeah, let's go out and sow a seed, you guys. Bye.